There she goes, wanting to be independent. No grabbing on the table. She's just walking all over today. This is the most she's ever walked. Such a big, pretty girl. Look at you. You're going to be walking all over the place now in a couple days. Yeah.
Andrews and Malone working on the next quarter mile like you asked.
You walk to your toys. All the way over on the other side, you walk to your toys. Wow, big girl. Big girl, Lisa. Hey there, pretty girl. Elisa. 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 Hey there, little sunshine.